For all the Excel user who doesn't have the Office 365 and you want to split the names that we have in column A into column B and C, we can use left and find formula together to find the first name, and right and length formula together to find the last name. We'll start our formula from inside to outside to understand the formula. To find the first name, we'll type equal find. We'll search for the space inside our main name, then we'll click enter. That is the position of the space. For the last name, we'll get the length of the name itself. That will be len open bracket. Then we'll select the text. Then we got the length of the main name. Then we'll deduct the length of the first name that we are going to get. Then we'll press enter. Now to complete the first name formula, before find we'll write left. We'll select our name, then comma, then we'll close the bracket, then we'll click enter. And for the last name, before length, we'll type right. We'll select our main name, comma, then we'll close the bracket. Now we got the first name separate and the last name separate. In case we have one name only, so we should not get any error. So to avoid this, we can use if error. In case this is error, then we should get the name from column A. Click enter. Now we can duplicate the same formula to the rest of the rows, and we have our names, first name and last name separate.